My name is Nakong Teddy, Computer Science here at Macquarie University, and together with my colleague, I'm going to take you through part of a business model canvas of fraud detection in gas and power, under the topic strategies, personal legislation for fraudulent gas and power consumption detection. So, a business model canvas is a strategic tool that is used to visually describe, design, and analyze a business model. So, it helps to map out key elements that are required for the success of the business. And then we basically use a framework developed by Alexander Osterwalder that consists of 9 building blocks that cover the 4 main areas of customers, offer, and infrastructure and financial viability. So first of all, the problem we're addressing is to do with fraud. So utility companies use billions due to these fraud activities, for example, meter tampering, within gas and electricity consumption. So we realize that the traditional detection is manual and inefficient. So we propose that AI can be able to provide real-time fraud detection for better efficiency and accuracy. And that brings us to a solution. This is our fraud detection model powered by Miles Strategies personal legislation for a more effective fraud detection in gas and electricity. So in the key partners section, we intend to work with different people. That is, we intend to work with utility companies, for example, the energies. These are the companies that provide these resources because they suffer from the revenue losses from these fraud activities. So there is need for better fraud detection. And then we have government regulatory bodies like the UCC. Here we want to ensure compliance and enforce policies and also promote fair energy use. And we also think of working with the universities and AI labs, and this one in a way that it would help to improve AI research and model performance, depending on how we handle the data. Then we also intend to work with smart meter manufacturers and IoT providers to help integrate our AI fraud detection into these smart meters that are used these days. And then the cybersecurity firms and law enforcement, because there is need there is need to act upon those people who do fraud while consuming gas and electricity. For the key activities, we have activities, for example, data collection, which we've already done, and that included gathering data, and so we got a data set to use, and we were able to manipulate it accordingly for our project. And then another key activity is the model development, where we train and deploy an AI model, and this step is also done. We trained and deployed an AI model for detection, and it uses personal legislation. Then the dashboard alerts. This is not yet done, but we developed a web-based dashboard for real-time fraud monitoring. We are able to do that, and then also regulatory and compliance. So we have to ensure that cybersecurity and to ensure cybersecurity and also follow the national data protection laws. And also we have another activity which is model updates. So we have to continuously improve fraud detection and tap on new fraud tactics. And then under value proposition, this is what we are going to offer to our customers. So for the utility companies, we intend to reduce financial losses due to fraud, and then we intend to implement a real-time fraud alerts and automated detection. Also, we intend to do more accurate billings, to implement more accurate billings. And then for the regulators, that is the data-driven policy enforcement, we intend to implement transparency in the energy sector. Then for the customers, we intend for them to have a fair billing because some are wrongly billed, and then we intend to have a more reliable electricity and gas supply. And then for customer segments, these are the people we intend to have or serve. So we have primary customers, and that we have the electricity providers and also the gas distributors, like Total Energies and Viva Energies. Then for the electricity providers, that is our MIMI, basically. And then we also have regulatory bodies, that is, for example, the UCC and then the UNPS, to ensure compliance and enforce law policies. Then we also have the large-scale consumers, those who consume gas in large quantities. In that we have the manufacturers, we have hotels, hospitals, and commercial buildings. So we also have the law enforcement agencies, the ones, the government anti-corruption and fraud investigation units. That's all. Thank you.
So my name is Namataha Lemonesha, starting from where my colleagues stopped. So for customer relationships, this is what we offer to our customers. We shall have a dedicated customer service support. This includes 24/7 support for energy providers and regulatory agencies. And then we shall continuously update and improve our model. And for it, like for them to be able to adapt to new fraud tactics. And then we shall offer technical training for field officers and IT teams shall be able to receive a specialized training. And then with regards to the model, and then we shall offer subscription-based support. Offer subscription-based support. This includes premium support tiers for personalized assistance, and then workshops and partnerships. This is to enable us to engage with stakeholders for effective fraud detection strategies. So for revenue streams, this is how we earn money. We shall offer a subscription-based model. This to include monthly and annual fees for continuous fraud detection services. And then we shall also have a pay-per-use model. This includes a charge levied per detected fraud case or investigation request. And then consulting services. This is to help companies set up fraud detection frameworks. And we also offer data insights and reports, where we do sell the analytics to the policymakers and regulators. And our key resources, this is what we need. AI and machine learning models, these are ML algorithms for fraud detection. And then we need smart meter data, which includes real-time data and historical data for energy and gas usage patterns. And then we definitely need a cloud infrastructure. This is for secure data storage and high performance computing. We do need a cybersecurity framework. This is to ensure compliance with data protection laws. And field inspection teams, we need on-ground verification of fraud cases. For the cost structure, this is like what we shall be spending on as a company. And we should need to spend money on the AI model development. This includes costs for paying the machine learning engineers and the data scientists. And cloud infrastructure, this is for hosting and computing expenses. Like we need to pay for cloud services we can use either AWS, GCP, or Azure. And then we need a smart meter data acquisition. We need to have agreements with utility firms. This is to ensure smart meter data acquisition. And then we need regulatory compliance and security. This is to meet the legal and cybersecurity requirements. We shall also need to pay for that. And for field operations and customer support, we need salaries for engineers and the fraud inspectors. Competitive advantage, what makes us better than the rest? For us, we provide real-time fraud alerts. There's immediate detection and response to a fraudulent activity as soon as it is detected. And then our models are highly accurate because they were trained on vast utility data sets. And then our regulatory compliance, we align with all government policies and cybersecurity standards. We have customized solutions. We have AI models tailored for different energy sectors and cost savings for clients. There's reduced financial losses due to fraud detection efficiency. Conclusion and call to action. So our AI-driven fraud detection system provides real-time alerts, reduces losses, and enhances compliance. We do seek partnerships with utilities and regulatory bodies to deploy and scale this solution. Let's work together to prevent fraud detection and ensure fair billing. Thank you so much.